Hey, what's up you? To this video we're unboxing K57 Corsair RGB wireless keyboard from corsair. Boom! I just got today. It's a replacement keyboard. We have actual keyboard. There we go. Then voila, and have warranty papers and one, I don't know what you call this. It's like here. Oh yeah, not bad. And it comes with the dongle. What do you call this? Dongle. There we go. It's a wireless. There. Hey guys, this is a replacement keyboard, huh? I like Corsair brand because if you broke something issue with your keyboard, there's a 1-year warranty. You will get to send it to Corsair and United States, and they will replace a new one like this. Brand new, guys. Look, from Corsair. Woo. And that's it, guys. One USB charger and I don't know what you call this, and the actual Corsair keyboard and a warranty paper. Thank you for watching, guys. Rockin'.